How to unblock Instagram on School Chromebook 2023. Method 1. Unblocking on mobile. 1. Open Instagram. Tap the Instagram app icon, which resembles a multicolored camera icon. This will open your Instagram home page if you're logged into your Instagram account. If you aren't logged into Instagram, enter your username or email address/phone number to log in. 2. Tap your Profile tab Android IG Profile. It's in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your profile page. If you have more than one Instagram profile signed in, this Profile tab will resemble your profile picture instead. 3. Tap. It's in the upper right side of the window. A pop-out menu will appear. 4. Tap Settings. This option is at the bottom of the pop-out menu. 5. Scroll down and tap Blocked Accounts. It's in the middle of the page below the Privacy and Security heading. 6. Select a user. Tap the profile of the person whom you want to unblock. 7. Tap Unblock. This option is a blue button near the top of the screen. Doing so immediately unblocks the person. On Android, you'll tap Yes, I'm sure after tapping Unblock to confirm your choice.